right, guys, welcome back. It's one of my favorite segments, right? So it's Fashion Forward. We're stitching together culture and creativity. Yeah, we are joined now by Leontre Williams, fashion designer and owner of the Lyric Boutique. She's here to showcase her perspective on fashion through her vibrant African-inspired designs. Welcome, Leontre.
Thank you.
Looking absolutely gorgeous, my darling. Just twirl for them for me, please. You're the first model. Yeah. I love it. Leontre, carry us back to, the moment when you decided that fashion and style and clothing and accessories and all these wonderful things would be the path that you would choose.
Well, for me, it was going to my aunt's houses and seeing like their pictures on the wall when they were much younger in their high waist and everything vintage. And I just loved the way they look. I love the hair and all of that. And also fashion, I didn't really choose it. I just never wanted to look like anybody else. So I would grab my bag of fabric and my sketch pads and go to my aunt's houses, and they would sew everything that I wanted to wear. So from a teenager, they were sewing all of my clothes. So I didn't really choose fashion. I just didn't want to look like anybody.
I love that, girl. Of course, look like me. Excuse me. So hold on. Did you now learn how to sew because you're around them, or do you sew your own pieces?
So no. I like coming up with the designs. I sew my bags. Like my bags are handmade, so I make my bags. And, yes, and I'll make a jacket here and there. But my aunt in St. Elizabeth, she still sews for me.
Oh my God, that is amazing. All right, so your name is Leontre, but the store's name is Lyric.
The Lyric Boutique, yes.
Tell us why.
Okay, so the philosophy I live by is let your reality inspire creativity. So everything that I make, whether it's a book or jewelry or clothing, comes from some need that I have. So that's my philosophy. Let your reality inspire creativity. So it was the perfect name for the boutique. I didn't want it to have the name Leontre because my dream for it is to have other artisans showcase their work there and sell their things there. So, that's...
You create a space for everybody.
Right.
Yeah, I love that. All right, so I'm seeing a blend of patterns and cuts and styles.
Yes.
How do you go about the creative process of figuring out what would work with what? Because sometimes not every pattern go well together.
All right, so for me, you know how some creatives, they need a well-organized workspace? I like the mess. Because from the mess, I get inspired, because I like to put things together. And I love a challenge when somebody says, that wouldn't go well together. And I'm like, okay, well, thank you. Challenge accepted. So for me, going to the craft store and so forth, I just choose something that jumps out at me, and I always go to the wrong section of the craft store. That's how I keep my creative juices flowing. I always end up in the wrong place to find something that doesn't belong, to give it a place.
I just love it. I just love your unstructured nature, creating these beautiful pieces out of no kind of boundary. I just love it. I love it. Give us now the details about how you manage to communicate culture through the clothings, because of course we see the prints and we always associate prints with Africa, right? So give us the kind of, the reason why you decided to tell the story of the culture through clothing.
Honestly, a few years ago, you would see me mostly in black and white or brown. And then I don't know what happened. I think when I turned 30, especially, something just clicked. And I'm like, I want to be all of these things, and I want to showcase me in, bold form. And like I always tell my daughter when she'll say, Mommy, that doesn't match. I'm like, honey, we don't match. We're African women. We
go with the energy. Yeah.
Yes, and we wear what makes us feel beautiful and vibrant and makes us want to twirl. So for me, that's just it. I want something to smile about. I want people wearing my clothes to feel beautiful and empowered. And I want when they walk into our room, that people stop and notice them.
Well, listen, we're noticing the models, yes, to the left, and they're ready to twirl. So, all right, let's have our first model. Give us her name.
This is Katrina Grant.
Okay, my darling, come forward, please. Walk the runway, strut it. Yes, strut the runway. There you go. Give us the details.
All right, so Lyric Boutique actually has thrifted items, things store-bought that I love, and handmade items. So this jacket is actually a Lyric by Leandre original.
Nice.
The romper is thrifted. The purse is made by me. The choker is made by me. And the sandals, that's just her amazing sense of style.
Of course.
Yes, from her closet.
Okay.
But yes.
The romper piece, though, I love. You know, I was saying this before we started. So I'm thinking you may have to just, take the design and make it some of the colors,
I definitely have rompers coming.
I love it. I love it. Absolutely fabulous, darling. Dress it up, dress it down, and it's still gorgeous. Okay, our next model.
This is Tamika Coley.
Oh, I love it.
Yes,
Hi, Tamika.
She's wearing, this is a Lyric by Leandre piece, this dress. It has pockets, beautiful circular leather purse made by me. And so I love single earrings.
You do?
I don't like when they match. So yes, this is a bone single earring. You wear it with another one that doesn't match or just a little knob,
And it works. I just love it. Yeah, it's very unusual. I love the purse. The purse is really, look at her though. You see the twirl?
Yes, exactly. That's the whole point.
Yeah, I love it. I love the colors. I love the cut. It's so simple, so nice. You can throw on something short in terms of a jacket or just go without.
Like that.
Yeah. Thank you, darling.
Thank
Hey, I love your models, I love them.
Yes, me too.
All right, your next model.
This is Akira. And she is wearing single earrings as well. She's wearing a little crop top with a skirt because I love to free the waist.
Yes.
And she is wearing a Lyric by Leandre original purse. And I call that lady on the purse the turban lady. She's hand painted and leather.
No, listen, these purses are giving. They are giving. But this outfit, I love the color. I love the fact that you got that yellow from the outfit back with the purse. You captured it so well. I love it. I think it's nice. It looks very comfy. All right, next model.
This is Jody Ann.
Oh, Jody Ann is giving.
Yes, in my favorite color, that green. Okay, amazing. Good. Again, she is in original Lyric by Leandre bag. And I love to work with wood and leather.
I'm realizing.
Yes, and her earrings, wooden. And leather too. Yes, actually, and hand painted.
Okay.
So yeah, I love this little dress because it has so much going on with the different levels and the pop of color. So
yeah, you can wear this out Saturday, ideal day to wear it out. You can go hang with the girls. Yeah. I love it. It looks super comfortable. Put on a shorts under it, ladies. All right, next model.
All right, this is Brittany, or Robin, as we love to call her. She's wearing some harem pants. Now, I love
these are nice.
Harem pants. They're the most comfortable thing. And I dress them up, dress them down. This is all original. This purse is actually double-sided.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay.
So you can flip. And she is also wearing singles.
Oh, lovely. Okay, I see that. I see that. It's very interesting. And the harem pants, if you notice, the crotch.
The drop crotch.
Yes. Okay, cool. So that's not a mistake, guys. It was very much intentional.
And it's very comfortable. You should try it.
Yeah. Yes. All right. Our last model, love the lavender. My gosh.
Yes, Dania Cecile. And she's wearing one of her little bow tops, which I'm wearing as well.
Aww.
And hand-painted leather earrings. And that is actually a denim purse, and it's hand painted, not by me. I actually bought the fabric like that, fell in love with it. And there's bone on the end of the strings. I like to work with bone as well.
When you say bone though, somebody watching and think like real bone? Like
oh yes.
Like real bone?
Yes, bone beads, yes.
By bone from
somewhere where bones come from.
Okay, awesome.
Bone. And these pants, very comfortable, stretchy waist.
I love it. And I love the little
sides.
cut at the side. It's very nice. Nice slits going up. Lovely. I just love it.
And one thing to know about the Lyric Boutique is if you love it and if it's your size, it's for you. If it's not, there's no small, medium, large.
Oh, there is none.
There's no duplication of anything. So you just
once it's
searching
yours, it's yours.
If it's yours, it's yours.
I just love it. I love how you open up yourself to the universe and anything at all that can happen.
Right.
The bags are absolutely amazing. Tell us where you're located.
I'm in Black River, St. Elizabeth.
Okay.
I'm on the Pyramid Plaza, and I'm right beside Cafe Via. That's actually my best friend's cafe. So we get to work side by side. So yes, I'm in St. Elizabeth. That's where I'm from. I'm from Santa Cruz originally. Yes.
But you do like ship, right?
Oxford and
yeah. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so don't bother feel like, so because she's in Black River,
right,
you can't stay from Kingston or anywhere else and order the stuff. She'll get it to you.
Yeah.
All right, and you're online at?
Yes, I'm on Instagram and TikTok, all of those places. At the Lyric Boutique, as well as I have a website, www.leontre.com, and you can shop from right there.
And you can customize as well?
I don't do custom.
Oh, okay. All right. And listen, I did ask.
But because everything is one of a kind, it's like it was made for you.
Yeah. See, I just like her. I just like her a lot. Jeezy Weezy. Congrats, girl. Congrats. Well done, models. Lovely. Guys, that was Leontre Williams, fashion designer and owner of the Lyric Boutique. Make sure you check them out online. More to come on Weekend Smile after the break. Stay with us.